out of here! I never want to see you again!
What a good dog you are. Are you all right? All right, up you come. You're a big fella, aren't you? Come on in, buddy. See that corner over there? I set it up just for you. It's safe and cozy.
Attaboy.
We make a good team, don't we?
That looks wonderful. We appreciate the hard work. Keep it up.
We finally filled the wagon.
Yes, and our best boy helped too.